Hello there. I'm going to be sharing with you an exact step-by-step process you can use to make your first dollar online. This is virtually guaranteed. There's not too many things that are guaranteed in life, but this is virtually guaranteed to help you make your first dollars online. Now, I do want to share that I've spent years doing affiliate marketing. I've done tons of research. I used to build the websites, build the emails. I've invested in this program and learned in this course, spent over hundreds of hours learning about these programs, about marketing, SEO, and all this stuff. And this is ultimately the simplest way that you can do affiliate marketing without investing in all this infrastructure, and also do it right from your mobile device right here, right now. So with that said, the two tools that you're going to need, and these are free tools, is YouTube and an Amazon affiliate account. So if you can start an Amazon affiliate account, you need that, and you need to create a YouTube channel. Of course, you need to be able to record a video. And what this video is going to be is based on an Amazon product, because Amazon's affiliate product allows you to sell or offer or create content about virtually any product that they have. Any single product that they have, which is basically almost anything you could probably find in your apartment or house, unless you're like an antique shop or something. But just about any product on Amazon that you can find, you can offer as an affiliate. And what you're going to do is take 20 items in your house that you can find online on Amazon specifically, and you're going to take those 20 products and you're just going to make videos about them, talk about them. You don't have to be a speaker or anything like that, or a pitchman or a pitchwoman. All you need to do is be able to talk about them and your experiences with them, share what you like about it, share how it's helpful to you, share how it's helpful with others, and we'll go over a little bit of detail into how to really talk about a product that's going to get people interested. But at the end of the day, you are creating content for that specific product, and you're going to post it on YouTube, and in the description of that YouTube video, you can share links to that product, and anytime someone purchases that product from Amazon, you get a commission. That is the process. That is how simple it is. Now, I will dive into detail a little bit more. So Amazon affiliates, you do have to add a disclaimer. Anytime you share a product as an Amazon affiliate, you have to put a disclaimer that you're an Amazon associate. So look out for that. Go on their website and find the exact disclaimer that they ask you to put. I typically put them in my videos. And on top of that, you also want to consider this. I'm going to share with you a hot tip that took me quite a few years to learn, but you can eventually participate in the Amazon Creator Hub, which means that you go into their creator program, you could repost these videos onto Amazon as like a product review item. And if you review the product, like if you go on Amazon, you go to a product, at the bottom there's like reviews or video demos or reviews of the product. So what you can do is you repurpose your YouTube video as a creator video, and anytime someone goes to that product, views your video and purchases the product, you can also potentially earn a commission or a fee. So basically, you're taking 20 items. If you take 20 items and you could talk about 20 items and talk about that product, talk about it, put a description in it, put a title that guides people specifically to the product, then you could potentially earn commissions. So can you make 5 cents for 20 per video for 20 videos? Of course you can. Of course you can make your first dollar doing that. So the goal is to think about products that are really going to have an impact, that are really going to make you more money. Find products that are going to offer more commissions, which include like video games. Video games offer you huge commissions on Amazon, as well as, but ultimately you want to focus on things that you love. And a lot of people love games, a lot of people love gaming, so there's a lot of opportunity there. But on top of that, here's some quick tips of what you can do for YouTube. On YouTube, when you put in the titles and descriptions, make sure that they're detailed, make sure that they're helpful, make sure that they help you to help the person that might be searching for that find what they're looking for, because all YouTube and Google are big major search engines. For example, if you are a car person and you want to review handle steering wheel covers, and you do steering wheel covers, then obviously what you're going to want to put in the title is steering wheel covers of a specific type. So maybe best leather steering wheel covers for Lamborghinis or something. And that's what you would do with the video. You put it in the description, and anybody who looks at the video is hopefully interested, based on what you do, based on the video that you share, hopefully interested in learning more about that product on Amazon. Now, let's also go one bit deeper. What do people really want to hear? And I learned this from my many years in sales, marketing, business development, copywriting, and things like that. The things that are going to interest people. Obviously, people love unboxing videos. Everybody knows that. People love videos where there's like demos and demonstrations and like a huge upbeat personality. But what you can do, one quick tip that you can do right from the beginning is think about the benefits. When you talk about cars or whatever, you hear about features like, oh, this phone's got 10 megabits per second of speed and 3 cameras on the front and the back and 5 megapixels. But at the end of the day, those features, people are going to shop around on those features and they're going to look at the camera, and they're going to compare, and they're going to do all of these things. But at the end of the day, what they want is the result. They want to know the benefits of having 3 cameras. What does 3 cameras even mean? If I don't know what 3 cameras is going to do for me, 3 lenses for a camera is going to do for me, then I'm not going to really care about it. So talking about benefits is how to make people care, how to make people understand what it means for them. So maybe, and I'm making this up, I could be wrong, maybe 3 cameras means that you can get multiple angles. You could get better moving pictures. You can get, I don't know, it's not 180-degree view, a full 180-degree view of the image, or you can capture better photos that look more realistic, that have more depth. Because if you just have 1 camera, you might not be able to capture depth, but if you have 3, then you might be able to capture length, width, and the depth of it better. Again, I just made that up just as an example, but you want to share the benefits. 3 cameras means you could turn on your phone faster and capture those really special moments. 3 cameras means you're going to get higher quality video, higher quality images for whatever it is your hobby is, whether you're going on hikes, trips, vacations, anything like that. So think in terms of benefits and what that means for the person. Talking about features will only take you so far, but if you really want to get people interested in what you have to share about a specific product or item or household item that you have and that you want to potentially sell on Amazon, really get into the benefits, show the demo, show the product, and you've got some amazing opportunity here. So try that out. I'm virtually guaranteeing you that you will make your first dollars online simply by using YouTube and Amazon affiliate program. Take 20 items from your house, or maybe buy 20 things off of Amazon, and whatever it is, it's free. Obviously, this is a free method if you already have items in your house that are on Amazon, which most people probably do. Or if you go to Amazon, just buy stuff that you already need. It could be anything: toilet paper, toothpaste, food, drinks, anything. Maybe you need a stand for your camera or something, anything. And then you make the video, post it on YouTube, use helpful titles and descriptions, put a link in the description. You don't have to talk about the link, because if you become a creator on Amazon, you can't say, well, look at the link in the description. You're not allowed to say that. It's part of their rules. But this is one simple way you can get started in affiliate marketing and start to grow from there. And maybe you become a very well-known pitch woman or pitch man for a product. It's very possible. So you go talk about those products, post them onto YouTube. People will eventually search for those or find those. And then that is how you can start to earn your commissions. It may take some time, but you're virtually guaranteed to work if you do the titles and the descriptions right, because people will be searching for information on those products. And hopefully you've made the video in a way where you express the product properly, you talk about it, they can see it, they can see how it works, and you not just talk about the features, which they can see and find for themselves and constantly compare, but you can talk about the benefits and what it means for the person, what the advantage or benefit of having multiple cameras, or having a faster engine, or having custom leather designs, or whatever it is, what that means for the person that is watching your video. And that is a quick tip on how to make your first dollars online through affiliate marketing, virtually guaranteed. With that, thank you very much for watching this video, and have a wonderful day.